Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make another beautiful flower. They are really nice and easy to make. This back side and front side. Let's get started. For this pattern we are going to start to make slip knot. It's up to you. You can start by make 4 or 5 chain, or maybe if is more easy for you, make a magic loop. Then start to make a circle and start by chain 3. Then in that loop we are going to make 15 more double crochet. In total we have to have 16 double crochet. Now I have 16 double crochet in that loop. I'm going to finish the row by a slip knot at the top of the chain, and we cut the yarn. Always make sure you hide the yarn. Maybe you can use needle or a smaller size of hook. Then we are going to cut the extra yarn. We are safe. Now we are going to start row 2 by usually insert my hook, put in the yarn, and then make a knot here. Now we are going to start by in the stitch right here. I'm going to make one single crochet, and then I'm going to chain 3. We are going to skip the next one and make single crochet on the second, like that. Then start by make 2 chain and return the work. In this loop here we are going to make 9 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to return the work and then insert my hook in the one between. I'll make 1 single crochet. So the first one is created. We keep continue by chain 3, skip the next one and make a single crochet in the other one, chain 2, return the work, then again start to make 9 double crochet on that loop. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now we are going to turn the work, and then we make a single crochet, the one we already skipped. Make one single crochet, and this is the way it has to be. We are going to repeat the pattern all around the job, and I'll be back. As you can see here, I already finished the work by make 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and what we have to do, we have to just make the work finish by slip stitch, make one chain and finish the work like that. So as you can see, you have a beautiful flower. I'm going to also hide this yarn. So this is the back side and front side, and that's all. I hope you also enjoyed this video as well, and if you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.